In silico predictions. So today we will discuss about in silico predictions. So basically, in silico predictions are mainly related with bioavailability of any particular molecule, which could be of natural or a synthetic origin. So we will see that in detail. So there are several databases and we will go one by one. So one of the widely used database is Popcame, and in Popcame you can search your molecule by name, uh, by receptor to which it binds, by molecular formula, by canonical smile, and by chemical identifier format. Okay, so these are several formats by which you can check. Okay, and apart from that, what you can do, you can also check that using particular file formats over here by pasting it over here. So that is, you can also use entrace, that is the option over there, and we'll see one by one. This is another database, zinc 15, which is also widely used for analysis and identification of the substance, and you can explore that using this particular option over here, such as substance, 3D representations, ring patterns, etc. So you can search using this option over here. Then we have drug bank, another database. So you can again search on this database using name of the molecule, targets, pathway, and any indications if you are aware of. This is one of the parameter, Lipinsky rule of 5, and this is for oral bioavailability, and you can check that using whether your molecule is having less than 500 Dalton, log p value less than 5, hydrogen bonds donors less than 5, less than 10 hydrogen bond acceptors, and molar refractivity index between 40 to 130. So that is the option of Lipinsky rule of 5.